Have you been looking for ways to create eye popping out of bound pictures like this or this? Well, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do just that. So let's get right into the tutorial piece. Okay, now we are on Canva. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Nate. So let's quickly go to my workspace, and this is my workspace. The next thing we'll be doing is to upload images. If you already have images, good and fine. I have them already uploaded. So if you don't know how to upload images, you just quickly click on this upload image and it will take you to your computer where your images are. Then you upload the image of your choice. That is the first. I'm using Canva Free. So if you want to remove background from your image and you are not on Canva Pro, you just go to remove.bg and the image background will be removed ASAP, as fast as possible. Just click on upload image and you upload the image from your computer up to this site and it will remove it for you 100%. Alright, let's go back to my workspace. Now I already have this image, the transparent background, so that's why I don't need to remove my background anymore. Okay, so I will quickly, the next thing to do is after duplicate, if you are using Canva Pro, you just do what? Highlight it, then you press your control key and D, then it will duplicate. But I don't need this to be double. I just need it one. The other one is going to be a transparent background, and I will bring it up. Okay, here is it. Now this is the removed background of this image. So the next thing to do right now is to go to elements. Once you're in elements, then this thing is very, very tricky. This particular um, tutorial, I'm going to show you what I mean by being tricky. If you're not careful, you will not be able to align the two pictures properly. So you just follow my lead, then you get it done. Okay, you get this one. You can use any shape of your choice, but I'm going to use this because I want it in a circular motion, like as you saw in the images I showed you. One was circular and the other one was a little bit, funky, kind of like trendy kind of picture, that makes it look more beautiful. So I'm going to use this. This is an image of Moa, just fit it into the frame. Yes, fit it into the frame as you can see. Once you just bring it to the right place, the the frame is going to absorb the picture, and that is it. It's just magical. It's magical. So this is it. So we're going to make the head of this picture to pop out a little bit more. So what you need to do is to double click on it and it will show you. So you just pull it up a little above that, the circle of above the frame, the edge of the frame. as you can see, like this, and then you click on done. So now we have the first one settled. So let me just take it up a little, just to make it bigger, just to increase the size. I can bring it down so that it doesn't look too big. Once I join the second one together with this one, then we can now um, enlarge it. Okay, yeah, so this is the second one. I'm going to bring the position to the front. This is it, to the front. Okay, let me show you something now. Like, as you can see, you see that the frame is also absorbing it. So if you don't want this to happen, all you need to do is to press down the control key. You press down the control key, then you hold it. If you're using your mouse, no problem. So, and then you bring it up. If you're not careful, you just stress and stress and stress and stress yourself. Okay, now you see that both of them are not the same size. Okay, so we need to increase the size of this one. Sorry, it's just misbehaving. Okay, as you can see, I'm increasing the size to be the same size with the one in the frame. So let's go. Let's see. Just follow my lead, okay? We'll get it done, and it's going to be very beautiful. See this? Okay, what you need to do right now is to reduce the transparency of the one on top so that you get what you are looking for. If you reduce the transparency, you will see that some things are not aligning. You see the color of the shirt, as you can see. You see that it is double here. So if you did not reduce this, or sorry, if you don't reduce this, you feel you've gotten it, but sorry, at the end of the day, you'll be seeing double lines. So now that we've reduced the transparency of the one on top so that we can see clearly. So what we need to do right now is to to zoom out so that we open this one off and reduce the transparency again because like I've moved it. Okay. Wow, this is amazing. We've got it right now. You can see everything is on point, as you can see. Okay, so now this is not going to be like this because it's not looking all nice, popping out like this. So what are we going to do about it? We will just we will click on it, then take it in. um, so you see, and we crop we just cropped it, and as you can see, it is perfect. it is perfect now. So this is it. So the next thing right now to do is to group both images together so that you can freely move both of them. So you just highlight both pictures, then you click on group. So you see, you can now move them easily together. So we want to create the second one, which is this. So we want to create the second one, this one. So what do we do now? We go to element, go back to element, under frames, frames, you see all, click on see all. Then it will give you that fancy looking frame that I used back there, and this is it. So just pray that this will move so fast, so fast. Okay, now you pull the one that has the background into the frame, into the frame. So now if you have a picture that is short and that cannot be moved, you can't move the picture above the frame, and that will enable the head to pop out. Well, I'll show you a trick that you can use right now. So you double click, and as you can see, this one is short, you can't move it above that frame. So what you do is you just come here and increase. As you can see, I'm increasing to the point where you are okay. Okay, I guess I'm okay here. All right. So now that that is done, you just click on done. So you see, done. So let me take this one out of the way. Just move it a little so that this comes up and this comes down. So we're just going to repeat the process. The things we did up there, we're going to repeat everything here right now. So as you can see, I'll position it forward. Okay, it's forward right now. Okay, so that when I'm moving it, it will just come up. So I'm going to increase the size. This one will even be easier because it has some points where it has some points that will help, that really helped me, to get what I am looking for fast, like the fingers that are raised, then reduce this. So you see, so that we can get what we are really looking for. Okay, okay. So this now will let's see if we've got the right point. Like I said, this wasn't really, this is not going to be a whole lot of issue, but as you can see, it has still not aligned. So okay, I guess I've got this. This is so fast, like just like a miracle. So much like a miracle. Oh wow. Let's see. Transparency. Perfect. Perfect. Wow, this one happened so fast. Can you see that? Interesting. This ah, this one happened so fast. And I'm so excited. Okay, so now for it to align, you just have to crop the one on top so that it will be equal with the one under, so that it doesn't pop out like that. It doesn't look good, when it pops out that way. So got this, and voila. Okay, so as you can see now on your screen, you see that everything is just perfect, perfect and beautiful. And beautiful. Don't you like what you're seeing on the screen? I love it. So this is it. The next thing right now is to highlight both of them, then group, so that we can easily move the frame. Okay, so it will be easy for us to move the frame and set it where it should be. All right. So just in case you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when new tutorials are uploaded on the channel. And kindly give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also if there's anything in anything you'd like us to create, kindly drop it in the comment section below. If you also have questions, if you have concerns, drop it in the comment section below and we'll attend to it. Also go through the channel and see if there are also other videos or other tutorials that may interest you. So we'll come to you again next time with another tutorial. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep trying, keep pushing, and you'll definitely get there.